I actually had a lot of people ask me about a plant update, which was really cool because I didn't think anyone would like I thought people would care, but I didn't know that people would care as much as they did, and I freaked out. And we'll see how that goes and how that grows. Right here is where you can see that it like just wilted and died. So I figured I would go outside and do an update on my garden. A lot has changed since my initial filming of everything and like getting the garden all together. There have been things that have died. There are things that have thrived and survived. And so I figured that I would want to show you that. Please don't mind my messy house. Let's just go take a peek at my garden, shall we? All right, so we're in my garden. We're about to look at everything that I've planted. So let's go ahead and take a peek. Bell peppers aren't doing too well. Honestly, I don't know how green bell peppers are even supposed to like grow. So I need to do a lot more research. Maybe it like grows underneath. Yeah, I probably should have done a lot more research. So learn from my mistakes. Don't just go into like the garden center and just be like, I'm gonna start gardening. Do a little bit of research before and see what works for you. I definitely would have gone with more leafy greens, as you will see really quickly, but I just wanted to preface that and say do your research before. First thing that I have is kale. It's actually doing really well. If you remember from the first like video that I did on them, they were really small and I had like 6 of them that I didn't really know what I was going to like get with them because they came in 6 separate pods, but this is honestly growing so well. Here's like my hand for reference, so that's pretty good. Here's my parsley. It's been pretty consistent. There haven't been any like problems. Let me get this out of here, clear these out really quickly. So yeah, with my parsley, there hasn't really been a lot of changes with it. It's been growing pretty consistently and it's been okay this whole time. My lettuce, my romaine lettuce on the other hand, is like thriving and doing so well. Other than these like wilted ones on the bottom, they've been doing really well and yeah, thriving. My blueberry tree isn't doing too well. Most of the blooms like fell off pretty soon. I don't know if it's like dead. Maybe I put it in like the wrong size container. I didn't know anything about this plant before like going into it, so that could definitely be a contributing factor, but I definitely think I'm gonna use this pot for something else. So I think I'm gonna, I don't know, give it a little bit more time and see how this goes and see if it's something that I want to put in a different pot. So my first window box, my blueberry tree. I'm moving further down the line to my second window box. This one's not doing too hot. My cucumbers that I had died, and so did my basil. It like rotted and then died. I think it's growing a new sprout over here, however. So we will see how that goes. I didn't even know that. But right here is where you can see that it like just wilted and died. I was actually really sad about that. Yeah, this one definitely feels like it's got like roots in there. There's a cucumber that died pretty quickly as well. My strawberry is actually doing really well too, which I'm happy about. It's starting to get like its little bud on there, so that's really exciting. And then these ones haven't really grown much either. However, I do see that like there's a little bit of a new like leaf sprouting up right here, so that's exciting. This is the Quinault strawberries, and then the Ozark Beauties aren't really doing a lot, but we will see. So yeah, here is my garden update. All right, there was a little interruption. I found a little bug on me and I freaked out, so I needed to get that off of me. So now I've got my watering can and I'm about to go see if I can resurrect those blueberry blooms out there, see if there's any saving it. So let's go ahead and go outside. Alrighty friends, so I went outside and I harvested my lettuce, my romaine lettuce, which I'm very excited about. Of course, I washed it and now I'm just letting it dry on this kitchen towel. Here is my kale. This stuff is so like durable and resistant. I'm really happy with that. And then over here you can see that I harvested my parsley and I'm just keeping it in this cute little bottle to make it last a little bit longer. So those are the 3 things that I've harvested so far. All right, so now that those plants are all watered, we'll see how that goes. goes and how that grows. Ooh, that's cute. I actually had a lot of people ask me about a plant update, which was really cool because I didn't think anyone would like I thought people would care, but I didn't know that people would care as much as they did, which really meant a lot to me. That was really exciting. But yeah, I've been keeping this plant journal, which I think is like pretty cool. I got it from Target before everything went down. So I have actually gotten a lot of my gardening equipment and like tools and note-taking stuff from the Target dollar spot, like planters, gloves, a knee board so that like my knees don't get all like scuffed up when I'm like weeding and stuff. This notebook where I can take like notes on my I know it's so dorky that I'm like keeping notes about my plants, but I truly do care about their well-being. It also has space for like seeds and like little stickers you can add. I thought that was cool. Now I'm going to log, and yeah, that was my little plant update. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, and hitting the little notification bell down below so that you never miss an upload from me again. But till the next time, stay kind, keep creating, take care of you, and I will see you very soon. Bye.